How to buy NETWORK3 token. So this token came under the symbol of N3. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply go below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on COINEX. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. So I will log into my wallet first in order to buy this token. So after that, select the Ethereum as a network from here. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. Now after that, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet. So find the token that you just added called N3. So after you find it, now click on it. So after that, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy. In a while, you will be able to see how much you receive. So as you can see, no corresponds liquidity pool. So if you don't be able to buy this token on the Bitget wallet, switch to another wallet. I will switch to MetaMask. So what you need to do, just click or open your MetaMask wallet. Now select the Ethereum as a network from here. Now click on these three lines, click on import tokens, click on custom token, paste the token address here. So this is our token, the symbol N3. Click on next, click on import. So after you add this token to your wallet, now search for it. So after you find it, as you can see, the NETWORK3, click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, I will type the USDT. So as you can see, now click on it, but make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. In a while, you will be able to see how much you receive of that token. So if you see, as you can see, the codes available, reduce the size. So I will just type the $20. So wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you will be able to receive. So I will just reduce it again. So I don't know how much. I just want to buy $10, for example. So as you can see, so it seems that it's not possible to buy it either on MetaMask. So just go back to CoinEX, click on markets here. So now what you need to do, you can now buy it on MEXC, on Get.io, on MEXC. So as you can see here, I will just copy this here. So I will just go to another browser. So I will just type it. So click on markets here. Now select the exchange platform that you use, for example, Bybit or MEXC. So if you select the MEXC, if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link on MEXC and create an account on it and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on MEXC, click on this pair here link. So after that, what you need to do, as you can see, this is our token to be able to buy this token on our account. So after you log into your account, click on buy here and click on limit on the market is the same. So after you click on limit, type here how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see the total that you will be paid of that USDT you have on your account. Now click on buy entry and you will be able to buy this token on your account. If you select the markets, you can drag this to set how much your percentage that you want to use of that token on your wallet. That will be USDT in order to use it to buy the N3 token. So after that, you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy N3 token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.